Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious coconut mojito. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. For the liquids, prepare 2 ounces of your favorite white rum and 1.5 ounces of creamy coconut cream. Don't forget plenty of ice and some refreshing club soda to finish your drink. Now, let's get started with the muddling process. Take a sturdy glass and place 8 to 10 fresh mint leaves inside. Add 2 lime wedges and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar over the mint. Gently muddle these ingredients together for about 10 to 15 seconds. The goal is to release the aromatic oils from the mint and the fresh juice from the lime, creating a fragrant base for your mojito. Next, it's time to infuse our drink with its signature flavors. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your preferred white rum into the glass with the muddled mint and lime. Then, add 1.5 ounces of creamy coconut cream. Stir the mixture thoroughly for about 20 seconds, ensuring all the ingredients are well combined. This step blends the tropical coconut with the zesty lime and mint, creating a harmonious base. Finally, let's complete your refreshing coconut mojito. Fill your glass completely to the brim with fresh ice cubes. Then, top off the drink with crisp club soda, filling it to your desired level. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your mojito with a fresh lime wedge on the rim. Add a vibrant sprig of mint for an aromatic touch. Now, your delightful coconut mojito is ready to be savored and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.